What's up, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. First and foremost, I hope everybody had a great Monday today, trading, doing anything that you're passionate about, doing anything that you love, because Mondays are the day to start fresh and, get the week started off right. So I hope everybody out there had a great Monday. And pretty much what I wanted to quickly cover in this particular video is I wanted to just shout out my Instagram account because my YouTube account has been growing. I think we're about 310 subscribers right now. We're gaining people every single day to the community on this particular channel. And I just wanted to make sure that, the other platforms that I post content on are, made available to my YouTube subscribers on here that don't actually know that I have an Instagram account. So if you guys are interested in my Instagram account, it's down below in the description. On this particular account, I'm posting anything dealing with the stock market, motivational quotes, cool cars that I like, anything dealing with my YouTube channel, any positions that I take in the stock market. I post all my profits on there as well. So if you guys are interested in seeing how much money I'm making in the stock market from the tickers that I call out on my particular videos, on Sundays, on Wednesdays, Thursdays, when we do these stock market videos, I post my tickers and, my Fidelity account on my story so you guys can see how much money I'm making in the stock market. So if any of you guys that are not already following my Instagram account are interested in something like that, go down below in the description. Feel free. I would really appreciate it if you guys, would go down below and follow me on Instagram, because I'm really trying to build a community here on YouTube, and I want to kind of transfer that onto Instagram so we can both be on these two dominant platforms, which are, in my opinion, the two best platforms to be on right now. Obviously, Facebook has its place, and Facebook pages are great, Facebook groups are great, but I really think that YouTube and Instagram are the two to really be focusing on right now as a content creator, and that's what I want to do. And I want to transfer all you guys that just don't even know that I have an Instagram account onto my Instagram account. So feel free to do that if you guys want to do that. That's pretty much what I'm going to be talking about in this video. Quick little brief, follow my Instagram, shout out my Instagram. And, I would really appreciate it if you guys would do it. So hopefully everybody out there has a great week this week, trading, working, bettering themselves, because that's what I'm going to be doing. And I hope everybody else out there is doing that as well. Let's make some money today, guys. Let's have a great day. Peace.